All right, this section is the review from 8-6. It says Jesse wants to paint the top of a table. What is the approximate area? So this shape is a circle. So you're going to need to do the area of a circle. It tells us to specifically use 3.14 for pi, and it tells us to make sure we round to the nearest whole number of inches, which they give us the diameter in inches. So we need to do the formula for area. Area is pi r squared. They told us to use 3.14, for pi. So let's go ahead and plug that in. Okay, the radius we did not see, but we did see the diameter, 78. So I can put that in half to find the radius, which is 39. Okay, so then in your calculator, you can use the square button. There is a square button in your calculator right here. So, but if you don't want to use it, you can just do times 39 times 39. And then you'll have your area. So clear. 3.14 times 39 equals 4775.94. It tells us to round it to the nearest whole number. Sorry, I clicked the wrong thing. Which is 4,770. And this is a 9, so I'm going to make it a 6 squared. And what was it? Meters or inches? Can't remember. It was inches. Square inches. Okay. So just so you know that it works with the square button, you can do 3.14 times 39 and then hit the square button. And then you should see a little 2 on the 39 only. Hit enter and you'll get the same answer. All right, the next one says, what is the diameter of a circle with an area of 113.04 square centimeters? Use 3.14 for pi. 113.04 is the area. Again, the formula is pi r squared. They want to know the diameter. Okay. It says use for pi 3.14 r squared. Just like anything, if I want to get rid of that coefficient, I need to divide. And I'll have 113.04 divided by 3.14, which is 36. Okay, to figure out what r is, I need to do the square root, which is 6. They ask for the diameter, which is double it. The answer is 12. Last one. The distance around a circular park is 88 yards. That's the circumference. What's the area of the park? Use 22/7. So there's a couple things happening. They gave you the circumference. All right, for this question, they tried to make it difficult. They gave you the circumference, saying the distance around the park. The circumference is 88. They're asking for the area. They want you to use 22/7 for pi. Yeah, 22/7 for pi. So here we go. So we're going to start with what we have. We have 88 for the circumference. Okay, let's go ahead and plug in the 22/7. Okay, let's combine like terms. Okay, then let's go ahead and get rid of this coefficient because this is just a coefficient when you have a number next to a variable. Okay, so in order to do that, we need to multiply times the reciprocal. Which is 7/44. Okay, you get your calculator. 88 times 7 equals, divided by 44 equals 14. So we found our R. That's what we really needed. Now we can find the area. Pi R squared is the formula. They wanted us to use 22/7. The radius we just found is 14. So now we can just use our calculator to find our answer. Because they want us to use this fraction, I am going to put it in parentheses. So in my calculator, I'm going to type parentheses 22 divided by 7. Then I'm going to put parentheses 14 parentheses squared. So that's what I'm going to type into my calculator to get the answer because we do have that fraction there. Parentheses 22 divided by 7 parentheses 14 parentheses squared equals 6/16 is your answer for your area. And then I don't know what units it is. It is yards squared. All right, thank you.